Here is Modify menu. Array the object selected. First select the object. Click Array. Check rectangle and set parameters, such as array number and offset distance on X and Y. Now, its circle, set array number and array radius, and start angle and angle difference if needed. Array completed. We don't need array text. Transformation. First is move. You can set its position. Rotate your object. You can set angle here. Center, you can choose the coordinates of the current selected object data mark. Mirror the current selected object. This icon is vertical mirror. This icon is horizontal mirror. We'll check both of them. Zoom your object. You can resize them here. Lean the current selected object. Enter the opposite value if you want to return to the original state. Plastic. Define the operation to be performed when two shapes intersect. First icon means join two close intersect areas into one. Select one object, click Weld and select the other one. Done. This icon means share a close intersect area contained in another. First, select the shape that needs to be cut off. Click Trim tool and select the graphics that need to be retained. Done. Or you can save source object or tag out object by check here. Do it again. Yes, this is save source object. This time, we cut the rectangle from the circle. Like this. This icon means pick up the intersect part of two close intersect areas. Select one, click Intersect 2, and select the other on. Done. Distribution. Several objects distributed as considering regular. First select these objects at least 3 and click Distribution. Select distribution rule and OK. These objects will be adjusted according to the distribution rules. Result. Change the marking word. Trim, when chosen, will show one shears. When the shear moves to the line, will become blue color and then can cut the line. It can only cut shapes or lines and cannot cut text, shape edit, graphics, or combinations. Curve edit. Break cross point. You can set the distance between 2 points breaked. Auto connect to wire ends with a distance less than. The set value will be merged into one. Align the selected objects. Select them and click Direction of Alignment. JSF font. We don't use this function.